Hi, how are you all doing? I'm here for women, especially for women. My dear fellow women, those who have married or those who are still want to go into marriage, listen and listen real good. Before you get married, make sure you watch this video. As a single girl or as a single lady that want to settle down today, tomorrow, the problem is not the husband to marry. The problem is before you get married, are you ready for marriage? Psychologically, physically, emotionally? Are you ready to withstand temptation? Because marriage, there is nothing you cannot see. Even your partner, there are some men who they specialize in abusing women. Can your heart withstand such? How it will be very bad is when you are entering marriage without you having something doing at hand. You don't have a well sustainable job. You don't have you are not financially stable. If you enter marriage without being financially stable, you go suffer. I'm not cursing anybody, but I'm saying this with experience. Before you enter marriage, make sure you have a sustainable job or you have a handwork that can fend for you. You can take care of yourself. If you're a lady, you are still in a level of you can't buy your cream, you can't make your hair, you can't wear clothes without your husband giving it to you. You are still on a long run. Please, my dear. And for those who are married, and majority of them are doing something, when they enter, the husband will say, please stop doing work, stop work. I will take care of it, blah, blah, blah. My dear, I do not say you should disobey your husband, but make sure you are saving. Forget about buying things. Everything you see, you buy. And whatever any things you see, you buy. You lavish money. I know say you make you no buy, but as you dey buy, make sure you are saving. Because some time on, so there will be a time that your sweet husband will not be as sweet as you are seeing him. Men changes in a twinkle of eye. Sometimes they will turn their back on you without no just cause. Men, something can distract your man from home. He will not be giving you money the way he used to. And you don't have a job, you don't have a business, you don't have anything doing, and you have one kid, two, three. That's the kind of frustration you will land yourself is unbearable. So even though your husband says you should stop working, do a secret business. Put someone in that business so that when the time comes, you face on your business. The mistake, if the mistake, greatest mistake any woman will make, that you're in your husband's house, you don't have anything that fetches you money. Please, my dear, let's be mindful of this. And if you have something doing and your man begin to misbehave, don't even mind him. Don't kill yourself. Don't leave him. If you want to pray, pray. If you don't want to pray, forget about him. Agaracha must come back whenever he's done with what he's doing. And when things, because maybe he's the kind of person that has money, his business is booming, or his work is booming on, fine. When he's done, wasting all his resources outside, and you have gained ground, you and your children, that is a pay time back. Don't just worry. I saw many women crying online. My husband is leaving, abandon me, and following side chick. No problem. Dress like a side chick. Take care of yourself. Love yourself. Be happy. Do things that will make you happy. Forget about. After all, when your mama born you, your mama did not born you with that man. So why must you be killing yourself because of man? Why? When the time comes, he will realize his mistake, and that time it will be very late for him. He will be a stranger in his home. So the advice I'm giving you now is love yourself, take care of yourself, and be happy. Because if you're not happy, you will start shrinking, you will start growing old, older than your age. You don't mind if you have taken bath, if you are putting perfume, if you make yourself to be sweet. Forget